spread akwakora ase north we deliberate said ye na amanfo kan o kumawu de no ana say coincidental
kumawu de bibia no we ko kumawu there has always been a plan say be kumawu akwa me fi kumawu constituency me fi search akwan be 3 years ago MPP na ye
Sompa FM
akwan MPP na ye akofo so kwan MPP na ye omen kwan MPP na ye insuta to oyoko kwan MPP na ye iti also ye nzo nya by election dia ene ye yanka say ene ye nso kra 3 years into 4 years only ene ye akwan ni na sa kwan ni e dika ka ho aso na ye from afijase oyoko utwa mu seche ko dadia se akotusu ono eduru mu ayekumawu kwan edekobesro edekobodwiase raso sa kwan ni nyina ya kwan a na ya ka ho asem paper work ni bibia na ya ma contract kwa contract se on share dwuma se eye January February na asem na dey asem ere ebehia jo it is not true say kumawu akwan na yenye ho hwe na afini asiase that is why I said I mention rota ni ayo na bi muso yenye no freda see to abani wi so contractor na frikwan so I truck say every day I call the constituency and the contractors are still there every day
Sompa FM
every day work is ongoing asen north when Adea ya sha said that in fact so we free new to be as na be wuro mu a ultra praso eba Sompa na ye dansame resia pon preku editwem edeba nduaso akonfo de enwa eho nyina sa kwan nya 32 kilometer stretch intinye se na no sabe sa kwan ya ne kama means one to social media so a efepa I don't know maybe 2-3 days as akwa that be sa kwan ne kwan a e do close to 2 years rambonai FE be offer single putan routes ya drainages gutters in fact drainage and gutters in kwano adwuma no be 70% obia onim road construction dia nyaka no say o fele no wagusua ene adwuma no de kwade say kakra bi oko asinkusianse a contractor was so ene na American ye oba bi busa kwan so you can see say yede daba kwan so these are all projects ongoing. These are all deliberate projects. The developers are area na same including now almost no enya almost fair share of the national cake.
Nana ma no really say Yera Maliba director of election ma NDC or say candidate that equation the popularity alone threat man MPP.
Because maybe any panonim on train the equation Lucia no I was a popular be man. The equation said you didn't call court I will take your Ghana Maraso one for Ghana Mranya Jumano and a man here popular. Say an office criminal charges or court for perjury and forgery and a man here popular. So that's why I've said that I said no, they deserve better. I'm not sure I said no food for somebody. I'm going to say he's facing criminal charges. Potentially he can go to prison for the charges and what they from. So that what I said no will go through another by-election again. I don't think so. Maybe you no money need nipa for be or nipa omuni nipa. It on one fee so mbeti me no. Because omuni nipa send here go sit na bedam pine. Sit over damn pine de share print. One na mo neighbor that is be a money nipa on tia and I'm not situation never. But we are going to beat the situation hands down. Hands down.
Ana pay mame nasi.
No so metasi.
Nana Boache Dodo na friend Nana B national organizer edema the new patriotic party MPP Nana pay no area mu ewo Asen North enkomo and Tuesday da Rubnada na was yetintin apomba nyoma Dr. Abba from 21st Clinic Dr. Yusuf ya friend Nana pay pa afino doc so Mike ne mami anope ma chen
me just so
now pom to say
yamna dumboko so hoye
ya do ya hoye pa ya hoye
Yeah, the nyamia say.
Juma mu fine there.
Oh, nyamia dumunti.
Good. Me physio phone ni na ho.
Oh, bia ho ya pa. Say, nansa so ma fi obi.
Ai. Me ba kokora wo eyi honest o twa scan no say dem de fefa ye funu mu.
Sa scan no.
Onso mi hu na cha papa. Na no me ba ko so me ba ye se ma transfer no. Na me say
asemo.
Oh, you see.
Adwuma dey sana
me yire mu nyina ekọ.
Oh, sana ya transfer akọ branch foforo. Say branch no doso.
Doso. Adwuma para bobo dia. Obi kura bi di wa say, "Hey, na mo be bia bi wo area." Ya me pe be bia 21st boy adwuma. And I didn't use your dog.
Yamina Edna say, yes. We dear Medawa say, Namachia at your funina. Na and there you come to trim when I say I do see a mono. Yabesha be afa the basic healing points. Basic healing points. And he can say basic healing pointer. Ayana Emiamia Bebre, Ewo Nipeduanumua. And I say points I hold over Nipeduanumua. Say obe massage keke no etimi boama ayaresa eba. Yes, etimi boama ayaresa eba. Ana eno nso ye kwan bi so a traditional Chinese way of healing. And I say say free China mamu a fa kwan bi so a massage keke no say onum aduro nanso abra yare no wo honkwan de ye wo miamia bi wo hono ma wa massage keke no na etimi boama yare na free ho abra onum aduro kra. Enti and also a work to say magic no. Enti ebia sa points we nyina no utimi nya nimde e wo ho anase uhu sa points we ne dwuma edie yare ahodo a esa na say even say yare bi na aba na wo de adro bi so crampo na e wo say utimi ye sa massage we bi na atimi aboa ma yare na contem because a natural healing healing ni pedua no naturally na atimi aboa ma yare na nkodrum pempen so bia say eduro na ne nyina no every nimdia ewo nyina so se yewo tumi bia enam nipadua no mu se mamemfa we ye mfanto ho se ohwe ye dan we ana se community se ya obohu se wires bebre e na nam wiem power ana se electricity power ye den ennamu saa so na nipadua no se tie yewo energy bia run through your system no and I say ye nipadua no mu sa energy no your lines bia efufam and e friend no imaginary lines no enti ya your friend say ya ko school kakra o JSS ne SS mu no ye be hwa JSS social studies on be kire wo say asase we so no ye longitudes and latitudes meridians sa longitudes and latitudes no eno ana I say lines are wo asase no so ne mum untimi fa wani ehun but eno ana ye de calculated time ye de calculated distance ne ade yes so na nipadua no mu so ye wo sa imaginary lines na ye friend no meridians ewo nipadua no mu eno mu na eye sa energy we e flow enti energy no e flow a babia ese say energy no e no antumi ankoduru ho papa na sa chimato bi bamu a ema wo yare enti se ema wo yare nkwa de a na kyese ye wo switch bi wo ho no ma ese o massage sa switch no o massage switch na etimi boa ma balance eba energy no mu na etimi boa ma ayaresa na eden aba enti sa switch no na ye points no enti e frɛ no acupoint enti se wate dimbi se acupuncture no eno na ya na China for wo yare a mo de oto honom na mo de panean kitinkiti bi wo sa panean kitinkiti bi na mo de wo no e wo well calculated points bi a de wo nyese bi mo de wo ba bi akeke and sa points na ye acupoints but in our circumstance no ye use pressure ye mfa panean kitinkiti ye de enwo eno an say o de pressure bi na say massage bi ebe massage sa point no so na atimi aboa ma healing process na atimi akoso ana say atimi aboa ma ayaresa na eden akoso enti e fe no acupuncture point ana say acupoint enti sa point we na dos woni pedua no mu yie pa enti dey very simple kakra metimi akira ma am obia atiase no da hofro na asan to aso abia besi bia na kire se yemre nti de edi kan no ohwe ofa onsayem sei a obie onsayem sei ekosoro obie onsayem sei ma onsayem no enhwe wiem ehwe wiem sei a onsayem no sei no ona ohwe me wo Facebook One hour shame on Facebook there. My shame over to me and I say YouTube no. Over who say the message I am in some say ubi on some say on say you no back ever shesoro a shesoro sana on sakom hono no on sakon and I say or rest hono no. Mfifi no pe or rest hono no mfifi no pe no. O de okokromoti ebesi honom. O de okokromoti ebesi honom. Enti mfifi no pe no na se pe na o de sa okokromoti na den ebesie. Me say ubie on say yem kosoro sei. Na o hwe on sakon honom no or rest honom no. Mfifi honom no fa on say si hom na fa bra na se pe ma okokromoti ensi honom. Massage honom kakra. Enti abra oti honom a onya hwe no o de try say o massage kakra say 30 seconds crump na wa massage na oti ho ebia awia wasan ye na sa ebia anajo wasan ye na sa ebia 2 times and 3 times in a day no o ta ye na sa yare ahodo bebre na etimi sa ewo oba mu enti wo oba na otiemi asa point we no say ebia owo wakọ ayaresa bia ye say owo ovarian cyst say anase nsuo bi fluid bi abegina ba bia wo to nkosua efire no o ovaries honom no say nsuo bi egina honom a ena ye efe no ovarian cyst no enti say o ta massage sa emia sa point we ya meka ho asem yi a eno etimi boa clear sa ovarian cyst obi a ne menses emaye obi a ne oyo oba na say o menses emaye a also o point ani oyo oba na say o menses emaye ebeka krabia na atwa emaye ni ade ni nyina no sa o ta massage a abra there is no underlying condition bi no etimi boama o menses esan flow kama pa oyo obi a watenka ewo fam o point no o de ewo ho a na o massage kakra na o massage o de kokromoti besi sa point ho no na wa massage a enti awo ho sensem oyo obi a awo ho wa ware friend say mfiedudo ni na mom awo no emba fa okokromoti eto sa point no so wo ho a na wo massage eklewa wudiem ma awo no eden etumi eba enti sa ovarian cyst ne awudiem sensem a etumi ma oba enyensen ni nyina no sa wo massage no kakra etumi boa eklema menstrual flow no bibia watenka na ati akọ no nyina etumi eden eten sisi so afei sa wo ye bema nso sa wo ye bema na sa wo tiemi a obi a sebio ne hwa mu anase ne testis mu oti pains e wo hono no also point ani o de onsa okokromoti no eto sa point no hono ma eye onsa kon onsa kon hono no na se pe fa okokromoti no eto hono na massage no kakra abra o massage no also saoti pains ewo testis mu anasa o hwa mu a eno so betimi aboa ma sa pains no etimi akọ na se oye obi a se bia bema opeja okokromoti se ya kokromoti na wapeja akosoro no ohun se o hwe kokromoti no from soro ebe fama first line na eda kokromoti no so no also betimi dia to sa point no so as bema no fato sa point no so o yese dia o massage no sa o massage na sa o te ya obi o hono ma na kire se mpamu agudie no o ye mre pa o ho yes na kire se o ye sexually weak e o sa point no enti o di to na sa o massage sa na se ya o no ye mo a na kire se anhwa na awo ho sensem obeye impotent enti no se ope mfaso bi afri sa point we so as bema tambia no te hokra na o massage na kakra o de try so be massage abra o massage na kakra na betuma aboa ma waye ho aye den e wo mpam yes and your point bia no so e boa mema pa yi enti so yo bia o de sa point no eto ho o de kokromoti sa line no eto sa point no so na sa o massage na kakra na sa o te ya wo ho no ma na kire se o ye sexually weak ena the more about pains no so na kire say o mema 7 day enkoye kra enti the more also be massage ne time bia no etimi boa ma o sisimu ya den anase o ho ya den e wo mpam enti eno so ye point a e good for a mema ena afen so won say o hwe okokromoti ya kokromoti we no obie mu se ya kokromoti no ene onsamba akyerɛkyerɛ kwan no de ede kyerɛ kwan no saa onsamba no ofinga no ene kokromoti no ntamu se ya no on se nam bi wo ntamu honom enti wo hwɛ saa nam no honom a skin na ɛwɔ onsa achi ene skin na ɛwɔ onsa yemu no ba bia ehia no pɛɛ no fa kokromoti to honom na massage kakra kakra na massage kakra kakra se uyo obi a o ta massage saa point na eno nso mfaso etimi edi brewnie obi a owo sisi yare obi a owo sisi yare obi a no honam nyina eye ne ya obi a no honam nyina eye ne ya ana afei ni titru pa se uyo obi a obofono wa oye obi a obofono wa eno ane so betena ho o tena ho na wa steady abra obofono no dey steady men fa wadwen ko bibia ho eno ane se o tena se a na afa wo de onsa to saa point no so na o massage na kakra kakra ebe wo akete se magic eno onye ntoato aso o ye na hono ma bofro no beti akọ ewe akete se magic no pa try yes se enna efre no basic healing points miamia bebre a wo anasa points bebre a wo nipadua no mu a set switch no enti saa points no well calculated a wo de onsa to on na se wo massage those points na eboa esa yare bebre but it's rather unfortunate say saa point we am actually say obofono wa obetimi de onsa to honom na wa massage saa point na timi aboa ma saa abofono na tia kọ no won na wa fa afuro apemfo untimi enye o ya ebe ha adwen pa enti apemfo efiri mu enti say o ye obi a wa fa afuro na say o pese o massage those points na e wa say o hu obi a onim de na watimi a kire say e honom obetimi massage na say untimi massage because nipadua na akoye complicated se wan hwe yi a na ayar enti amita bia meka se wan tini nipadua na ase anya de se obeti ayar sase da yes ena de atwato kra me pese me de twato na yemre nti na ya sore so no ye wo point a ye frɛ no heart 7 point bia woni din point bia e woni din na point we no ye frɛ no heart 7 enti wo hwɛ eye onsamba na ketwa de wo nchemu ho no ketwa de wo nchemu ho no ene sa o finger na anasa onsamba na ye de eye ring ehemu no the ring finger ena index finger anasa onsamba na wo ketwa na wo nchemu ho no o hwe ne mfimfin a sa nsamba mienu we mfimfin no tracy sa ebrafam eba onsakom or that's or wrist side ho no or race no mfimfin ho pen no sa o tracy ba or race no honom a obohu se sa honom abotokuro kakra na kyerese ne nchem honom no dompe bi wo ho yes sa point no so a o de fa won si sa point no so na massage no kakra o massage a we ye point bi a emotional issues bia no esolve bi ti say anxiety depression se wa ye bo ha wa ni nje ni ade ni nyina no esolve eno se point bi a eboa akoma no paaye enti obi a nakoma bon tentem bronyi bekese palpitation e bon periperi sa no wo de fa wonsa to no eya na mpempi no wona wo blood pressure aya omutanya sa condition no pa bo se nakoma na e bon tentem nakoma no e force se e pompi moja enti sa point ni e point bi a eno e very connected to our heart ene se aya na mpempi no nhwehwemu amana dadi se de enti a aya na okọ se okọ ware a ye de ring ehye sa ring finger no mu na se sa onsaba na ye de ring ehye mu no very connected to the heart enti se very connected to the heart no o de ring o exchange vows na se o de ring no ehye sa honoma ma hearts no ye de connected. Yes, enti sa honom no sa point no ye very connected to the heart. Enti sa ring finger and any index finger and middle honum and as mfimfin pen no tracy brafam eya onsa kon man as wrist honum no point bi honum as de akofam and as tokro bi da ho fa onsa kokromoti no eto honum na massage no kakra wa untumi nda oyo obi a untumi nda insomnia so untumi nda o point ani try so be massage 30 seconds na eja ebia 3 times in a day anopa awia nwumre o te okrampo a onye hwe no just casually na o ye o massage no kakra etimi boama obi a ontumi enda also etimi obetimi ada yie pa sanso na obi a na koma ebo no tentem obi a na ninje tambia se wa depressed also o point no massage a wekete se magic no obi a ontumi nda so se o point bi wo wati ko hono no kon achi a no so etimi ebo enti points bebre woni pedua no mu a esa yade ahodo pa na emre ni ntino ye begya ato na da foforo yasan ato aso na make how say 21st clinic no na oti enka ya ka say 21st clinic ya giso the sciatica experts ya re bia etimi de sa na emom no sorry ya re bia etimi esa na emom no de amofo anim say yes sapa no ene ya re friend say sciatica eno ye ya re afri osisi nachi osisi no de emu betimi atutu ya wo ya wonante a otimi say honom eya wo ya pa ye yes 21st clinic na betimi asa osisi yade no amount na mmom no ebia na ode no de sisie no aya oye saa ma eno de sisie ne de krampo nte ya wo ho na mmom abeso oto ase afa eye osiremu eba onan kukumu ho de fa onan tu eba fam ahonom etutu pa ye bi honom a wonante ana asa ntini bi wo ho a etwetwen wo oda anadwene se de o tini mu a na ase bibia be hye onan kukumu ho de otini na mu antimi ntene yes ni nyina no ebetuma aba ne say yes sciatica na Africa nyina no 21st clinic na ye expert a yetu ahye kra manu den efri ho ebia na onan eye otitriti onsan say no oda so a na ase emu no etutu wo fa wani kire 21st clinic ena medical ka say enye sciatica yade nkwa na esa awo ya so ye say obi a wanye stroke obi a oju so ontentem ebia na prostate ena ho anya problem anampo wo enamu yare bi ejunso mu how bi ni nyina no de bedan 21st clinic ya de se yebetimi aye afri ho ama won so ho aye den atimi atopa ye afi o obi a ontumi enda onante kakra bi a na wabre onante kakra bi a na wabre yes onante na ase de onamu emu edududu ebi ho no ma abra onante na no na oto ase ahyase na onamu etutu saa wan tenase ahome a na ase wo ya tofom ni nyina no o de bedan 21st clinic Adea say betimi abo pa ye na wo so atimi anya ahoto na de atia ne say 21st clinic na yi so abibiduro ya so ne so a ono ma how biara eni akire abra ye ma abibiduro na send the machines ahodo ka ho esa o yade no ema wo enti wo 21st clinic no say wa ne gya abibiduro ho kwa de a emfa ho ne pempenso a yade o yade na akodu o de ba ya so enkwa de yade say etimi ye betimi aden abo ama o yade no atimi afiri wo so na wo so atimi anya wo ahoto enti yare bia afri uti ekopimo na ase no se eya de se won pesa obenom chemicals ana se painkillers ahodo na akose obrebo no fa wani kire 21st clinic na ma abibiduro no bi na send machines ahodo re den eka ho esa oyade no na atimi afri ho kra na ye moja mu hwehwemu ehwe dwunso mu na ya san twa scan ahodo ehwe obrebo no o kidneys no wa wodie mu yetimi hu yade biara ehawa na from there no ye de ya bibiduro no account anasa ye mfidie no atimi aboa ma oya yaresana ye den atimi akonkan Ghana afana nyina no ye wo branches bebre more than 15 na oba Sunyani ne mpotamu hase a oba hu ye wo Sunyani penkwase ne ne regional hospital no ena di nhwani mu Sunyani penkwase ye ne regional hospital no ena edi nhwani mu enti se wo free Sunyani krom ena eba obesi wo regional hospital no first gate na nhwani mu pe obehu 21st clinic e wo ho sanso na wo free kira side ena eba obesi wo regional hospital second gate obehu 21st clinic e wo na nhwani mu pe go so no ye wo go so abotan so ye ben Chris Success FM Brekum ye ben Chris FM e wo Brekum amango ase yes Brekum amango ase sanso na techiman no ye ben Agenkwa FM Nkranza ye wo ho Kumase ye wo ho se hwedwabo so debi so Accra Koforidua Takwa Obuase emianwia bebre wo de freyen e wo 0546 616161 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0249 311 311. Number we a number be as our fra e bia nsamisabi anase de yon boss nyina opɛ opɛ sɛ ohun yaswe ya benwa ɛno ano sɛ ɔbɛfrɛ 0249 311 311 0249 311 311. So waniji abibiduro ho kwa dia and the 21st clinic no ɛbɛyɛ o last stop yɛda obi biara ase.
All right, Dr. Yusuf, thank you so much. Adapaya dase. Tibi say me ba brown. Me say ne sadnam ha. Ye say ha o ye o hana. Obofunu cry timi ko o massage ha nso ye say umoja no pese bo a eno nso etimi wakoma no say more problems anxieties and all that. Ekọ na ahanso Dr. Chere say o mema yem ne ho na waya. Hey, waya ho na je so mbe so akoma bebo. Usisi mo den na oye already fear but why are they money ajuba. Dr. Exif, thank you so much. Is that there be a better time yes at one so pa el honum but I say my men am homra that no pay and to us so in free honum.
My name is Emil K. My son just passed his VASE exams with distinction from Ideal College. Wow! Thank you, Ideal College. Sementia Ideal College.
Sunana Abdurazak, Diana Yazana exams daga ID College. Ya pass. Wow! ID College. Basu da Sara.
Acho mi pajo, mene muumbi e pasi wasi exam say Ideal College. Oh, Ideal College. Na nyepo, mi danyeshi.
Mon nom est
Alpha.
mio figlio ha passato son VASE examen con successo del Ideal College. Wow! Merci beaucoup, Ideal College.
Sawatia Dansia, Aufo ye dear fi de college home. If you share dunia chia at the college about Blue Miami. Omuni obi ehia moda.
Wo dwene ho sɛ wobɛkɔ SHS. Na course obɛn na wopɛ sɛ woyɛ. General Arts, Business, General Science, Visual Arts, and Home Economics. Ɛne bra Ideal College na yɛ ne teacher fo a wonim de na wɔsan so yɛ wayɛ examiners no. Ɛma wɔn tete yɛsoro nkokora.
Your two departments so wasi and media. Your wasi center a school for no. Omotwa wasi nsohwe no. O yesuku wa. Wo dwene ho sɛ wobɛba Ideal College. Oni Sunyani kodem ha. Your boarding and hostel facilities. Emma. Ideal College. How can you feel?
Dream big. This place that I know, where the pride of the island shows every face.
Onipa biara owo apomuden pa ewo ne se ho no ewo ahotoso kese wei inti na Oak Dental Clinic ene wo nanim difo di dwumadie bi ti se wo hohoro se ho wo pese wo po se ne ho wo se na tu wo pese wo hye ye filling ye braces ene ese ho dwumadie biara Oak Dental Clinic apono ebue efi juoda ekosi memenda abra.
Okay, so mamini komo emrana anopay mene yera Victor Kojonga a member of the NDC legal team. Anope yeni komo na yenra Sen North and so ho. Mr. Victor Marche.
Enya.
Ne pom to say.
Namiadum, I was right.
Namiadum yansu hu you. So far, Mami Musa say party NDC. Boabuan so to say our Sen North.
Oh, I sure say NDC they did not painting. Edina and 27th June election of Bebaso. Me sure say I seen no for no more who Amania yedia the secrecy a film and near Ofemu and the development because of or no. The kind of developments that is coming to the constituency. I'm sure, say, at the end of the day, the people will vote for development and justice.
Lawyer, like I said, the mirror so that I'm a development about say currently only city be a then on duty put you.
Oh, say, Ankanya no, young for development, yen be see astroturf. And all of a sudden, you know, that you question, you see, or you. Hello?
Can't patch it, yo.
Say, Ankanya on one. And I sit down. Anka say, in fact, a quiet ma. You have strict Eflinia mamma. Yen Chichenia ma. Enter and I'm on also. And until I Yamasana maneba. Inti me sure say I seen for so be say. And I'm on also na Yamana eba. Kanyano Bibia ma. Say, not Bibia ma. Money or no, all bono. And it is a sea no you say. I say enough no. Omuhia niama. Now onunti na omu say omuhia niama nti esi ye boamo. Nti be sure say so honoma more things will come to them.
Now, the verdict and now said judgment 35 pages from Supreme Court Abba on Yera Jachi Kwasin. Are you satisfied with the final verdict?
Bato
Nami Busa said judgment a free Supreme Court by interpretation Biana Musiki on Yera Jachi Kwasin. No, we are okay.
Oh, he said Supreme Court Akasa, but I disagree with some of the portions of the judgment, you know. But it says Supreme Court Akasa. It is Supreme Court Kasa. We can only criticize the judgment or say what the judgment is not the certainty of it in any amount. But we cannot change it. And see, the only thing is maybe you want to go for a review. Now, it's a unanimous decision. Say unanimous. I must say we sanet here. And see, there will be no even it's the same position they would go and render and give to you. Because and we know it is not like it's almost a split decision. Oh, they are here. It is a decision. I don't think they need. The most important thing that will grant the chief question, the justice of it, is that he is re-elected. When they elect him, and the Asin people will know that yes, really justice emanates from the people, and it is the people's power that brings justice.
Kaso na mamusa se oka se obesa bay from some ACC and the other criminal suit omu pursue against him no. They say candidate that equation are viable for this election.
Why not? But what kind of judgment? Judgment now can say that Jokwesin is not qualified to contest election in Ghana.
No.
Did they say that?
Debbie.
Nkwantabisa said he's not qualified to contest any election in Ghana. 2. Yanka said that Jokwesin no onye Ghana until Canada until because he has allegiance to Canada and he won't be contesting. There is also evidence say Court Nankasaka said yes, Ampa or your renunciation or renouncing the allegiance to Canada. And if there is evidence say he has renounced his allegiance and he's a Ghanaian, what do I say? Why can't he contest election? If he's qualified to, he's a Ghanaian, he hails from Asin North, Otohonum, he's registered there, he's qualified. There is nothing against him, say he's not qualified. Almost say at the time easy, Ejinu Tumu say he is qualified to do almost near easy no is unconstitutional. And the easy near no Yachia sign is unconstitutional. They've never barred Jachi Kwasin never to contest any future election in Ghana. So he's qualified. So criminal charges no criminal charges are allegations. It is not evidence. Adding criminal charges I can say or Kokache is say we renounce it. Tamea or Kokache is say we renounce it no enyan kra we transfer. There's evidence say when he went before EC or the document no call ye editor or more. Oh they say editor or more. So, Ofahina Okotantro. Now, also to me, I Diama Attorney General, any to me, Aban want to say, they can level any criminal charges against you. Baby, I was here, no, sebi. You say, you cry, car, a say, yeah, the cop. You see, Obia Bobby, you who nipa or bono, and you betche me say, Mina me bo nipano. You tell me, say, Mina me bo nipano, there is no evidence in Yama. Yet the maybe film, I me call bill, court na yemi, moi, mammy bill, met them, sir, you see, you cause a murder. Obet Nemwa and Sana Omuvio Mukeza, yes, for the submission of Doki. Anna, you begin and Sana called Becca say, and Pat Neakan, there's no evidence, say, Nipa win a kum Nipano. By that time, you punish show, or my year, Yakayaka, the percentage, you know, he done it. Oh, dear, say, that is how our criminal proceeding is. Sebi, to say, there is an ongoing case right now, a court of appeal. You are sentencing the panel to 30 years. Yes, repo. Doctor reports say there's nothing showing say there is anything say Nipano only Nipabiada. Everything is but what just 15 years after now almost say there is no evidence say it just says Nipano ABB. That is how our criminal justice is. They level allegation against you. Anyone can say if they level allegation against the situation, that means that he's convicted. And you know, say we for maybe it's an allegation against him. Oko true, and the court sees say wait, baby, and this the court will acquit him and he will go. If the court says that yes, the Omar cannot empower, then that is he has to appeal, or if it is true, the court will look at it. But say any allegation against you, you can't stand, you can't do election. No, you are doing injustice to the person. And you know, they can do anything, but he's qualified. Nothing should say there is the criminal charge against you. When there's a criminal charge against you, you cannot exercise your right. You have a right to stand as a member of parliament. He's exercising his right. Let the state also exercise their right by prosecuting him. If they will prosecute or persecute him, so be it. But me, I've always believed that there is a law of karma. You can have the power today, you can abuse it, but Ochina. And I always tell my people, after people say, anytime you sebi, but it is something I have seen with my eyes in practice. You see some investigators in Niema, say what they are doing is not right. Today they are no more in the service. You'll be sad for them. It's the law of karma. It's bouncing back to them. They are here. And see that power has been given. The test I even say you've been given that power. What you are doing, is it candid? Is it fair? And Article 296, you better say, your mouse at to me, and son of it me a charge you business and your man. So she say, I'm pat, you know, sanity and I enter, and I'm me trying to me the man say, Yenfano and punish him. That one, it is between you and your God. Because me, I believe one day say, we'll all go and give judgment. And we all, and it's the law of karma. If it doesn't come to you, your generation, your children will suffer it. And see, I have some principle that guides me in my work. And that principle is, Adea yedebe or no. And so we know, it's as simple as that. And don't say, Wadamfo, and I want my downfall, and I say I won't help you. And yes, I may yet the state I obey me honor to be worse. Let me leave you like that. Maybe I don't want to help you, you're not my friend. But be as how you are. That's the principle I do. I either help you, I don't help you, you leave you. And see, the fact said there's a criminal proceeding against the Christian doesn't stop him. It's not a bar. Say he cannot contest an election. And I'm sure that the NDC made a very good decision. They looked at all the cons and have made a good decision. Say, Jasil Christian has paid the price for the people of Asin North, and he must be elected by them.
And so, Anope, we are grateful. Yadasi.
Asida in your media. Na media Sunyani ni important move for na.
Tunya Fonso Josopa. Akwe. Lawyer Victor Kojoga Adawudu. A member of NDC legal team. Akwe. Thank you. No diasia wakacho. Yakwa brother ba hasaso no champion ni mo. O ha no pay me ba be join team no na ya din komo na mami clear de na me clear na nsa na ye kwa ahoma so na afei emu atene amaye na ya din komo ofia.
My name is Emil K. My son just passed his VASE exams.
This place that I know where the pride of the island shows every face.
Onipa biara owo apomuden pa ewo ne se ho no ewo ahotoso kese wei inti na Og Dental Clinic ene wo nanim difo di dwumadie bi ti se wo hohoro se ho wo pese wo pause ne ho wo se na tu wo pese wo hye ye filling ye braces ene ese ho dwumadie biara Og Dental Clinic apono ebue efijuoda ekosi memenda abra abono moche na yapon no num pepepe yen asoye ewo abisim ye ni Jenny Guest House ene di hwe ni mu ubetumi afre yen ewo 020-166-0218 Oak Dental Clinic Yeji Insurance BTC Apex Health Insurance Ace Medical Insurance Nationwide Medical Insurance Gab Health Insurance any Premier Health Insurance Oak Dental Clinic Sewon Kwande nyina.
Afeni ehunu papa no bank mu obrimpon nie bank mu asiamri bank mu samansia bank mu dasebre bank mu buanya obua mu anya ade enne se ebosi kakura bia bidin asanemrane a na Sunyani Area Teachers Cooperative Credit Union wana mfie aduasa ne akire nie wandi nyamisro ahofama ene no kredie asom won customers osompa ma ne obia esa wo mrane Sunyani Teachers Credit Union ema odwadi fi obosi a ehudwo ema wandi se wonwuma ase afoforo ade tre wonwuma mu na dodo na nso ene nam wo bosi aso aye japade akese wanje special deposit na current accounts, service accounts, social accounts, straight accounts. Emu bi a opese obi enu so betunya bue bi ewo waso ye ho ama no ayedie. One corporate future plan no ebesese udachi ama. Adwumenfo wona katua efa ho enim ahokire. Esan se ebre bi a wo hia sika no won enya bi. Wona atoto shares wo ho edwiri emfaso akese. Na won ma won customers sika sam wo futu ema won de peda wo nyuma. Wasinwe na akrade nso obetunya kwagene wo ho ama no ayedie. Ampanin se oba wo mecha ware ase no otubantia onua. Na Sunyani Area Teachers die ba bi a wo be won krabata no wankasa je wan asase esi wan dai ade kire se wan aba transie ene mo kasa yi owon krabata ewo twidie edom ankwanta attachment ya nso won ben Roma soda no pe wona dwuma ni ti ewo Sunyani Area 4 kwajasko koso na chiri pe ampani for numbers ni 0244-433-113 0261-103-905 Sunyani Area Teachers Cooperative Credit Union omen adehie edamwase.
The international football season has just reached fever pitch, and GoTV will be right there for it all. So get settled into your living room stadium because you are coming with us to the epic finales of the Premier League, Serie A, La Liga, Europa League, FA Cup, and more. All you have to do is get and stay connected to GoTV, where all the big games keep coming.
Points of world-class difference.
GoTV, love it.
No one stops that.
Me dear man koso we phone. Akwa we mim fudie se from nyesu abadro ni si we. You. Na niti gini ye.
Suaba organic liquid fertilizer. Egu ahodo osen. Suaba organic liquid fertilizer. Ena Suaba plus organic liquid fertilizer. One to away. Netino eye green ahaba mono. Suaba plus organic liquid fertilizer. Ena ya ni green no. Ejuma kronwa. Kokonwa nso bi ɛwɔ dwa so ne nyinaa ɛyɛ Soaba organic liquid fertilizer wɔn product ne bia na ahabanmono no green no ɛna wɔn de afa ne ti ne ho na nsakraeɛ aba ne sɛ Soaba organic liquid fertilizer no sɛ deɛ yɛmu ne ti ne mmienu yiyew yɛbu baako etimi yɛ adwuma korɔ no a sɛ wonim Soaba organic liquid fertilizer no yɛde bɔ vegetables enkunuma carrot cucumber entos ɛne nasefoɔ na Soaba plus organic liquid fertilizer no ɛyɛ tree crops cashew cocoa mango ɛne nasefoɔ ɛne yɛ 150 mls ɛno so adwuma korɔ no a ɛbɔ nnɔbaeɛ no ho ban firi nyarewa ebewuram na nnɔbaeɛ no anyini from nso ɛyɛ natural opac view a ɛyɛ company no ɛna ɛyɛ Soaba organic liquid fertilizer na Ghana ha baabi a motɔn agrochemicals bia no wobɛnya bia tɔ na brafo ha main office ɛwɔ Sunyani Kotokrom aviation kwan no ukɔ yahuma onsani fa pɛ abrosana edikan no ɛhɔ a dodo bia wo pɛ to aton kɔ hɔ frɛ wɔn mo 02411800020 ana 0596738723 mofa EPA laboratory crop science department KNUST for edano Akye Soaba organic liquid fertilizer atum.
Vodafone number no be free unsa so one share and register or SIM card. National Communications Authority dia betu dwa say free sabre ya kopem me busum na wieye me kire 31st May. Na say we register wo number na kire say wo number no enye wo die biem. So pese wo san register Vodafone SIM card. Dial *404#. Ne din hye wo ho no so. Na fa registration e di kan no fa kwa wieye. E di hobby Vodafone office biara ben wo.
Nadia Manyaskay, me copy of Piwama estimate ya mam. I go POP Vira. Nadia, Sissima me rambo.
But I say, Obeto materials na semen cotton brown.
Bobandi may here.
Over here, seminar woman the POP. And I say, oil woman the POP. And umpo me per cooking oil.
Oh, you're open near my command. And I get more can
if you're right, and this house, so person menye adwuma papa maudia. Oh here POP cement. Fiber no. Ya watintin any kese long and short. Binding wire. Any oil. Na hwe se beye ne meye adwuma papa ma wenti no. Opa yen na men to fiber no. Long one e be che me wientem na ye quality so.
Ono kura kwenti. Iska brand ni sunya menya stock
yes, Sunyani Adea. Any fear pre, any empatamu, any able POP no. Baby Bako pe any fire near Yefreho or Hima Enterprise. Or Hima Enterprise. Saukowa, POP cement no. Any product no. Egugumbe brew, but the quality one or Hima Enterprise etonwa. Obia so the any POP. Aye, sky deco type ni. Afe POP materials be an accessories. Cement, fiber ya mekan, say long and a short. Binding wires, do be a wopato. Na angwano, ye upe dimpo. Ane di upe di ayo POP. Sizes beer otombi wo bra. Sa wotono dudu mua. Ewon senkaye. Ode kwa chiri so a. Hima Enterprise. Ewo kia wo ho a. Ba bia owo bia ode bebro.
Ane bande maye. Be wo.
Hima Enterprise. Ewo fear pre kwanso. Hima Junction. Wo frisunya ekọ fear pre. Wo tra gas filling station na ewo won seni fanwa. Last store. Ba bia mo so na de no. Abrosan green no. Asia ho. Storeroom number 8. So if you free preso na echo gas filling station na enu ne dikan abrosan krona first store down POP material sashemu baby a wo bia free Ohima Enterprise 02037219006 na 0556684415 and kwa fafa 055460835
Anya irankwan Ohima Enterprise Yepre Ohima Nkwanta mi bao
Happy
Ejapa, then the odo. Abutre, ni the nani kunima ho. Papa, many aso, and pempenso, mama bedri, and redru. Some so me show when you munyam.
And Tina Sompa 98.9 FM. Eshe a gentleman ni munyam. Pasieda, means Yana de Tosu doom what tree.
Yes, Sompa Father's Day.
Sompa Father's Day, basso. Pasieda, also means Yana da a Tosu doom what tree. Metre 18 June, yeah. I think Pino any of the Numian saying, basso, S-Back restaurant. Goody, a chi, a word masequence. A ria don't call a copy menu no night. Ma, ebe to me about Sompa F. Our night market. No, be register wager, Edna Sompa Father's Day. Eba, ebedi, eja, ebedi. No one num eguso. The money does Kai set discount account. Registration fee, 200 Ghana cedis. Per Jepiara neba, ebe register was Sompa Father's Day. 21st clinic fire is for free.
Can never register, oh papa. Frege, our 025-7683-050. Send you sick our momo 055-7269-602.
A Japan we know to Mirika never register wager.
Happy Father's Day.
Everybody follow not sa malaria. A 3D till not now. Malaria chill. Popo. What mean the day? I want the num lonat. A dabaco. Num lonat. A damien no. Num lonat. A damiensa. Num lonat. And no. Lonat scatter malaria. Lonat ide scatter malaria.
A quality product from Blaze GVS Pharma. Yenshishemu hu se malaria wa umojam ansana wanum Lonat. Na nam yensearch na malaria no daso wo hwa ko hu dokota.
This advert is FDA approved.
All right, Sompa 98.9 FM Adea Akye Full House. Anya wa hapo kumachi.
Yes, song.
Empom to say.
Kwame. Me ho ding.
Good.
So nyampanifo binum esu ene wo ban ene wo nhihye boni bi dia anka eye na na busa se Ghana yare ana we eye question Ghana yare ana kwa Ghana yare a ene mpanifo binum enyi ye ho ano aden omanya etimu aden mami kotu from my president Osaje for say the doctor Ajima Badu Fridi Ajima, I say Aden. Kwame, Aden. Ghana, or my Ghana, ye too gold, Aden. Seriously, Sikasa. Kwame, Sikawo many mutam. Now, so Brana Yebre. Kwame, we never national service for. I branch back home, me crumble my hink. Or the dance is here, make a say. Kwame, Wabubu. Wabubu SS brother, also. Mr. Adea area wabubu e kom sa kom ne kuno e kom sa Kwame kom sa masa otifie kom hram muni to se kum no Kwame wabubu aden national service me be som me man Kwame ye simple calculation as a 2021
medase mechia medase nya kon abronoma
Nana Nkwantabisa.
Empom to say
Adum ninti o be men na me pacho na wonso e.
Adum ninti me show remorse bia wa ha no pay.
Why strategic?
My strategic.
Because why dynamic
so. Na yes a calculation we ma me bia so my 2022 se bia. Ado pay wo po we dia.
Oh nyame adum
po we. Na se de His Excellency or Chaminibo
Akye
Damao Akye kaka
Eno
na because so I go father
kaka no kazanim so mutimi si wo
me wo mutimi si
yo
ketu dish ketu dish pa
odi mo hene de say boni di
ni hine
kwa mo ho ye
yo Bob to say
na ko na me apom ye me ho ye pa so ho ye
anapa me ho ye
na e benada kakra na afene ko na wie ya no sese busumi nsema ne na ye 6 June. 2 date na nebe
662023.
Wow, 662023. 6620. Baba could be to me 60. No, I could 6.
But Chairman, are you serious at all?
Not serious saying.
Now the now we are penny body. Now Loto no. Menka loto asem.
Na de here.
Na sa no pe menya forecast abi ye loto.
Na me se utimi no 663. Na betuma ni 60. 60. Utwa kanta kora na. Na u kanta 66. Uza kanta.
Furu be so. Ya. Menya kora sha free ho. Ya akwara pen ko mo na ye di na odi we baba be. Cruise be kure.
Single numbers ni double numbers.
Cruise be kure.
What is na body bi?
Ebodi. Emoni make aviator.
Na Sompa boy. Emoni.
Moving guys in the
boy. 98.3. About single 809. And last weekend so general manager friends accountant number no. 7921 a boy. And last weekend so general manager 443. Single 443. They have a scale Bruce.
Swala lies and
they go for be kure.
What can say money? Yeah, GPRT main branch. Urama left wha Ibrahim na ye a lotto agent. Of Ibrahim. What else again?
Kwame, I say, you have seen no for dear if you say, I don't pay what the home come me, you know. Now I'm in chair tearful, and I'm in country and say, so sorry, I no pa. Near my being shut down, Koya, or the fat to Sompa. Near she no over tea assembly, a bema was rekakra. Said the nabra bonisi corno, nipa bedin na hen. Nti mo bi top pressure ma wo de se wa want me am manage na pressure bi aba so a for afidie ne to ha e den ya ma me kan ekuru bi ne ko odwo be kan asem bi am wasere na wa yi pressure ni bi ato nche ne watumi atena se ache kwame ena me hwe statistics bi tiawa na fe yakoye ni mu asen of by election no so wuti abato de normal NPP say obedi nkunim NDC say obedi nkunim mame mubu nsam ketwa bi ngu fom ye figures bi na ye wia ye tiefo no wo mo agina so akasa se sei na ekodi a MPP bedi nkunim se sei na ekodi a NDC bedi nkunim asen no ofro na no ne constituency e wo ho bagaya enrachi ya na wo mu chemu a ye wura kede Japan efiri ho ba asen central na ya bagaya no wo mo so ma bato ase 1992 ma sabre no unim nsem ebeba ba ye nti na nye NPP ana no so na nye NDC anam sini na di nkunim ko mra hye badwam enti ba bi NPP any NDC ebesi akan no ho na me fade afiri kwame 1996 NDC amanyoku awura ba Florence Kumi ana di nkunim nti fa o paper bia na o pen bi wo fia na so wo bo bia na wa ye haye NDC haye MPP me kan na de ato nchen nti 1996 NDC amanyokuo ene di nkunim wo Asenof the year 2000 the year 2004 the year 2008 sa emfie miensa ye de ato aba different 2000 2004 2008 nyina no NPP amanyokuo honorable Kennedy Japan ene di nkunim ewo Asenof ene ye ba 2012 no sabre na ya che mu ama yakonya Asen Central no ti owura Kennedy Japan free north ho central na wo free ho a wo call ye ne pe ena NDC G city no 2012 NDC amanyokuo de share Samuel Ambre ena odi nkunim wo Asenof ene ye ba 2016 ena NPP beji city ni bio ema NPP ba abena drowa mensa edi nkunim ene ye ba 2020 ena Yera James Jachi Kwaisin edi nkunim enti kwame nka beta ma no batebre ni nti hwade 1996 NDC na wini ye baako 2012 NDC na rini ye mienu 2020 NDC na rini ye miensa asin of seat no NDC arene miensa afe mame famra NPP rini 2000 2004 2008 and 2016 NPP arene 4 we kira wo say NDC arene miensa na NPP arene 4 asin of seat no obi anye so ona obi antumi mfa mmɔ ne ho safohene senka etese bia constituency bia MPP arene emu 5 na NDC arene mu 2 a wo se hodie sɛdeɛ etie yi ɛyɛ MPP fo na wo mutai ne nti MPP yɛ adwuma kakra bi a wɔn bɛfa secondly kwame candidate a wode ne ko election no edi akotene paa wo mu hwebra no honorable Kennedy Japan wo ho no na wo ye the people's favorite enti wo comprensa non stop wo man 20 ano 2000 2004 2008 na hwe Adea bi the year 2012 sabre na Owura Samuel Ambra no ye NDC Manyekuo de share with 14,338 votes no. O de ba the year 2016 a hwe MPP baba Owura Benedrowa Mensa obenya 15,553. Wano Owura Ambra Samuel no that difference no ye 4,802. Hwe you 2012 NDC de show wini ya no Samuel Ambre no one MPP ba obe wini 2016 o mmienu na sai be gina bio 2016 na wo vote difference no aye 4,802 ena hwema me famra 2020 Abnadrowa no wosan ba bio ena no regime ja chekwesi be preye wuka wo mmienu de no vote difference na aye 3,305 nti we kira wo se asen no of ho no obi antumi mo ne ho safohene se mewe ne wanya adwumaden na wo yese bia wo be defe nkrofo na mo mato aba ma wa eho na eho no ehu pa me brani nti ma me fansi wa na nka me wo be bi kakra bia me de be ka ho bat kwa me mesro me di si no na me twon adwen aba so sen Zipe makanim prince hala tamai mu move you say how many times have I called you na Zipe akwanya no de atie nie emfa ho ne Ghana network bia wo so emfa ho ne Ghana ba bia wo gina emfa ho ne wiase ba bia wo o mane sika e wo mobile phone so de a eye Zipe o si mama no sika free Germany e wo fa no pai mekwa afuom na tambe na mafiatroni aba Sunyani Akye ni wo bank yi debi me ba cho fa mobile phone but star 270 hash na register Zpay ebre di ka wa register kwa ya sama wo airtime for free Zpay akwanya no ete unante so afiri ufie kwa bank so na ba bia wo bia wutumi mane sika esan so yi sika simple dial star 270 hash na di hyehyɛ ne so jimidi Aware ride and delivery says obasa wutu kwan free Sunyani etwa wo ho wo nkuro ye etwa Sunyan ho ahia eya aware ride and delivery oni moto twi nim ka atwi woni bi a ode ye adwuma bra ye office e wo June July photo studio na wo Rex adan ni mu na fe yentena se na ye ni nkomo download the aware ride and delivery app on to phone so na sa wo akira watumi a order ni aba be fa wo the wako baby a walk so simple. Aware ride and delivery number is 0530 123 556. Op Dental Clinic is say Ukra Apex Health Insurance, Ace Medical Insurance, Nationwide Medical Insurance, Gap Health Insurance, ni Premier Health Insurance and Fabra. And then a coswin. Wanuma tutu. A sene wo ho wanuma ye fin. A man kaba wanumu. Ope case ibi. Na so ntumi ne ho kani nkese me pa cho se wutu wose na agya wutipaye a Fabra Oak Dental Clinic eye se ne ho hawo onum nsuo kra na ne se femfem enkrofo abro be ontumi ni bi da tofe has enu krodi anese befem odi wie no nsuo pe wose manum aye mi bibi Oak Dental Clinic ewo abesim Jenny Guest House animu ho wo Jenny kwan so 0201 660 218 0201 660 218 Helis International School Suku papa wodo wo bakwa wo moka untu sika nguye ye kire na adwemu nimdi ose me mai sha ase ko Helis no wo ma ye sharp wo ma ye shabre eno na wete me ba ne de wo ye brains Helis International School e kire wo mo ade ni wi a ensan so ye mfanya bibi wo mo aye education be ka cho se no ye psychomotor obo piano na wo mo ye UC math no mo sua ICT na wo library ho na nwoma na egu ho no ebi ye photo books enti ye nwoma de na so mfonyini na wom akwada no tumi di biebie mfonyini na no aka de efonyini pese e kire this Helis International School Sunyani Tropical Hotel achi ewo Jubilee Park nchen ho wo de wo fro ka na wo kwa besima wo dru baby a passport office junction wo no a si wo ho Goro boys ni share business and pacha balance passport office say there be me de me be ko Helis 0241 587 644 be ma de wo te nkwamu a ma wudu yanwu Mr. Kill ni address esa wo nom Mr. Kill no e ma wo sisimu ye den yi be ma hawo a ebekum ni be ma afiri ho na manatumi ne ho kan ye hyiam be ma so so a wugu nsu awia na wudu yamu ye wo ya kafra nani amuti bas mu konkra na mudu linda do obede na wonso akogu nsuo ni bi ugu nsuo ji so ko chi be ma wa ya ase ye wo yam be ma ya na ugu nsuo nso so a da bia ji se sope kakra bia na okọ kakra bia na okọ huntun capsules oba wo de ne ye araba bazin tablet memne tablet no na nya fritikom ha mfiri ho memne tablet no na nya ahonka ukunu ben wa watumi abu ahia no na ho tim na onya timba Komoze green light cap hair ban na wusu macubet ho benya biaton 0244 275 429 mobile phone de eno ane franco de obi kai asori ane roma mobile phone so a ane franco de enye papa enkoto no wo ba bia ko franco e phone tete wa ko franco o phone ase o phone ayira waja phone ka mu ya ba ku de ani o ko franco Francophones no gu ahodo Itel, iPhone, Samsung, Tecno, ene ho akadien. Tu anamo bra Sunyani baabi a ye man henen. Ne statue no si no. Koko house run about ho. Kwanim ketua bi sa ene o edan di animhwe. Je temba no. Ene ne di animhwe e wo brekum. 0246422338 na mobile phone achi. Usi dan a fanchanse papa bosun. Joycam Roofing Company da bia metu mira me kire usie se ko DVL ko hwe ho na wo mode Joycam chance abo wo modan ne so Sunyani no wo area 4 wo ben VRA ede ko ST runabout wo no go filling station na wo ho no oba Joycam na oje chance ya balance sa empopo entutu entokuro ne dam 0551 009 000 amama nkama semfri yade o yade enti wo hia na wahwe owuo galanti wote ase e kire se ne nase atatai hwe yade amo ahwe owuo galanti ama yemfa purely organic product e free garden nsa wo yade wate jai tea nom fa benom strawberry tea purely organic na fa sa wo ho yade pala butter oya hudu a obedie no manenya purely organic ones e free garden ni bo na fo na wudi anya nutrient asa tu yade ase o say ye Sunyani area 4 wo ben top asori dan non 0200 905 936 0200 905 936 na kwa me mama fancy
all right ochame ne wanya code kakra te ochame eya no so nunum enko oboku few minutes we ni mami enfenwura wo hono
Kwame Professor B your friend no Professor your friend no Professor P.T. Hopoff Richard, or Duke University, or Assistant Professor of Political Science, Senior Research Scientist, Department of Political Science, Duke University. Na the research na making kind na medigina so ewo by election na ekoso na ochre the components of by election, the term effects, and how to win in incumbency or opposition. Na kwa me share incumbency on the research na making kind share the components no components ni bi sika. Na professor lecture say no matter how kuro no pe wo no campaign materials etimi sesani pardon. Incumbency etimi change the status quo of sa constituency no according to that professor. Come no Ahanta West by election koso ho. Kwame sa research ya making kan ya papa ya making kan me de toto ho no. Then time na NDC no pa. Kwame NDC won. Kwame hwe de koso wo kumawu na no ada. Adea ba kono say from doctor professor research kire say Kwame ya na enye de timamufo no pe ena aman afani say abato no yo but abato no yo de abato no pe. So what must say ya enye de timamufo no pe no ena abato no yo but abato no yo de timamufo no empe. So ubahunu say ye penana poku PSC so member of parliament. But because of the component of by-election and elections, you know, and yema timisasa, Kwame Adea na esia sebe yam budget ya draw 2020, 2021, 2022 budget. Kwame yehu aye asen off budget umtwato sikani ho. Kwame de na si ya sisi ya meka sei. Sikati mi aba de yam budget for. Se yenkin sika ya sesam machine sakwakogu. Kwame to research we papa na kire me say MPP for betimi asanya fa konya wei agye friend this for nsam because of the research papa we kan ya manya bia true trim Kwame the yam ya amedi wie Idea College also how can you feel omanya ya timi wei national service for enya aduani ni hwesika ye say no Kwame why national service da as a 2021-2022 over then bono half now bono regional Kwame na national service for Kwame wo mo ye 10,000. Kwame unim say national service for sika fie no de ma wo mo no. Ye ti o mo 10 cedis. Each personal be ye ti 10 cedis. Kwame multiply 10 cedis by 10,000. Kwame ye san to 40 cedis bi for registration bi. Kwame multiply 40 cedis times 10,000 as a 2021. Kwame and the DA national service for this year in this region, according to the mission and vision and the functions of national service. That's a Kwame. A school for Uncle in Bruno region way. Now you get 10 cities, 10 cities, 10,000, 40 cities, 10,000. Now you need be unfine, you be unfine, young Kaidum. Kwame national service for office Kwame, I'm interested in Idea College. We are Hellis International School, JHS. To us, Idea College. One general arts, business, home economics, now for visual science. Visual arts, Kafra, and a general science. 024-6133-473. Kuzuni Enterprise say, phones, Kuzuni Enterprise say, perfumes, papa fee, and ho. Your home of quality and affordable. Our comfy baby, comfy adult, and comfy diaper. Our area 4. Odu area 4 na be so called Newtown. Baby are not just to book off na po 0243432666. Yako Father's Day ni se we. Mo mamom kakra. Eye awofonom emmema papa foi yoi. Nyame ya adom a ye bedi Father's Day. Sa de no. Sompa 31 media CUSA obreki sa de no. Papa fo binum yesu banti eduru Father's Day on fanya hwe o etimi twam ne awura free Father's Day what yes binum su banti irresponsible fathers afo beti ane ayi de yakra ne se Kwame ayi oba na ja be ma no na wapon kola na de ama no na de kye no papa beti ogotoduan na mepekosia otin sa maka je o pa o si hwera what 31 media say obreki saade no enti ye di Father's Day to ya 2 million okay say oh dabi tie de wachiri 2 million no ye kwa di o S-back enye se bi o si obi anya aduani ni fe na efe tie kwa di o S-back udi S-back aduani bia open wia a free date na ye di Father's Day kopem the following year eye 2024 17th June no oko 21st clinic ayade bia woni paduani mu no 21st clinic be hwe free for the whole year. So 2 million in a day, and you 5 minutes no. Dr. Blessed Foster, CEO say, or General Pomodehu for the whole year as a father. And you don't think about the 2 million for the food, Debbie, and the kit webby. Nemo no 1 year for health. Dr. Blessed Foster, ne concern. Ya di be on the call 21st clinic no. Ne hiane so kita Father's Day cheat. Sa ukobi, uduru hope 21st clinic be hwe yare bi oni paduani mu ya diagnose ni ehunu se yade we ya ni amma woduro na ho atɔ saa kopem wani ya umpewe na apede ben anya ba bi om di 2 million we odidi we ya na wasɔre kɔ no aniti fa ho don me pa chaw numbers ni nie 055 726 9602 ye breaki sa jackpot no 055 72 79602 Oba hwese wanum ko aduru because ye kodi nem 3 AO capsules na oyemu na ho na Father's Day ni ye bedi aduani bia opebia na S-back be ya ma ho ebia na wompe nkontomire ana wompe anwa ana wonni nkyene wo ye vegetarian aduani bia opebia no saada no Tarawan Media CEO say yenyem fama na awia yen saw yade for the whole year sere wada Roma ana Tabo Ventures adaroma so say ho ena wo moto water closet papa wanya water closet papa wie no afi to cables papa efrigi bolt electricals uduru resa total filling station opposite ya bi store no bi e wa abrosana se wa obi ase cables nko ade ye wiring enti woni problem bia o kwa the Canfor Sunyani area teachers cooperative final announcement afra.
Thank you very much. Araba prekulate machi. Igwe so better as my million pom to say. Good. Afonso ye boko de. Afo bibia ye boko. Ye do body ase. Ye do body ase. Araba prekulate is former DC ma Ayetano North. And pay or represented the National Democratic Congress, which is NDC. Sansuna for the first time in my studio, Mianga Saminia Igwe representing the New Patriotic Party. Igwe marching. Point is saying good. So a microphone, mommy. Okay, very well.
Sorry, ne who are you? And I am saying, I he has done 90% of the job. Yaka say the more ni no credit. Ni a holding perform na yatimi associate at the end of the day. So me seize the platform na me fight here with for in an way. As you have rightly said, the first time I mean no mobile bidding kite on the then now Sompa FM. Then it was a Jumapa then. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, say yeah, share be even though on this platform, but other platforms. I mean, Nasi for the chance and opportunity given me. Yeah.
Okay. I popular to my member with Asen North. Yenin Komo free Asen North. Na yenina yenim. What happened? Speaker through advice of the Supreme Court, declare a seat no vacant. Na afei ono so the Common Electoral Commission say omonso nhwe yanto aba ewo honum. Now Supreme Court the ruling about 35 pages. Na ensem there a lot. Na yanhwe yera jache kwesi nensem any Supreme Court ruling aba. Now the stand of your party any going forward. If it's still a viable and permanent communication team for you can say legal team member, lawyer, Kojoga, Eddie Nkomo, just say bibia no esi ne kwan sɛ ontimi enyina bio MPP for mo believe say omode candidate bi nso aba be hyemu a ɛyɛ so poku a wonsɛm so yɛ bebree bordering the ECC abeka sama ɛyɛ MPP for nso akasa ɔno
yeah so ke didi kama mencha otifo na mencha mini na men wish me papa madie nyina honorable kopoku belated happy birthday and run na birthday Sake
boss
I'm say me hu easy for letter no MPP for letter difference o my letterhead a difference o my letterhead
from construction of a
power rekenka o back to makinka matifo ati
the
difference o my letterhead
nya no
difference a woman
nya no kure
kenka na tifo ndi na mo jesa me bo ha so say nya no kure kenka matifo ndi the difference o my letterhead na o kan easy letter na nya o mama
na emwa
we is not responsible or yeah independent body on serve one political party or serve on minor so even if obi make allegation be etiana you would do things that will be explaining actually a mindful but you don't respond to certain individual look as if say a NDC MPP banda look at the previous issues or maba when any political party make allegation BT they explain to them Nipana woman just that political party. This is not in IPAC meeting. But what change somehow I say when the NDC for now I say
because Monama alleged
good when
the allegations
wouldn't baby when Obi Adibitia Abaya and our corporate institution and Obi can they tend to explain to the public not to respond because a public interest and not that individual interest.
It depended the premises of
the
kind of
whether irrespective of that kind of allegation, you are not serving that political party, you are not serving that individual, you are serving the nation. So you tend to explain. But I mean, yes, surprised because I know. Oh, Masa, I may happen of a branch of MPP as we speak. I think that when demands or signs when demand to any and also corporate affair. I'm saying it's not headed by anybody. It's headed by somebody. So who is that person? Who wrote that letter? And our corporate affair.
But there have been an interview with a chairperson and Gaza.
So who wrote that letter? You wrote a letter, you signed, you write your name. So what is it? This is one of the modus of operandi. Say a boss being the return officer for a president, it may be recorded and then or try letter or or declare results about on sign. Do any mama a musuba go mude. Mammy the substances issue no. May I have had that view, say Supreme Court any assent of for any Supreme Court. Any judge crazy any okay second year so try parliament za ko pisi dia asem ni
do mani second year
or try parliament za ko pisi dia asem ni okay techiman south hadis here when the 2026 to in giant court no say a bit deny the people of techiman south representative there's one I'm say Corsa issue no baby DC Accra. The same thing as a court say be deny the people representative and the was a case in a course on the panel that's why represent people represent a certain group of people but as end of the year may
represent the fault of Supreme Court a high court
no so far as a case no call Supreme Court no case
on a call for interpretation on certain things
why who asked them to expunge the name if interpretation of only the constitution.
I think that is what Muliga team nature.
No, was that the decision of the High Court?
No, I'm the same line. That's what I'm saying. I don't know more.
That is it. In the Supreme Court, High Court in fact injunction to us. Supreme Court didn't injunction to us. High Court making a ruling, and independent ruling in a High Court. Only High Court. On an injunction was placed on justification by Supreme Court. On say, over a year by, and I had the opportunity to listen to one lawyer from MPP side. I say, the norm no crown only say, before you be sworn in, one of our allegiance, but this is what the Supreme Court has come out, and therefore we must go. Before so you be sworn in as no, MP. One I wear allegiance, because he believes yet to aba that to amount won't yet MP. You are not an MP, you are MP elect. Only MP. So if you hold allegiance to any other country, it is of no effect. But the moment you enter parliament and you start your business, that is where there can be a conflict of interest. Your allegiance to any other country will come to bear. And Yebusase, over people, representative bill, PNDC law, 20 section D, or can clear, Breben will be Samran. That's at a time of election. On the hold that view, say, Mema try twice, Mansa City. And can you hold on? Assume that I'm allegiance to any other country. Can you hold me? With my hold me.
That's one City, you are not representing any country.
Good. At the time of representing the panel. What do you say? No, who do as citizenship? What else? Supreme Court seems to even contradict itself. For the ruling now, Park was syndrome at the call, a Supreme Court one. A brother used to deny and said, an Nkrata or the coin, and then you may be in your day. Supreme Court say, it's a some West End time, a nomination form within time or most scrutinized or more than Nkrata as part of the processor. To more than Nkrata, maybe be too soon. They have to give him the opportunity. And this it's not the same thing. And it happened. To make crime me issue, say. Nipano I apply in June 2019. We all know what happened. COVID into a slow certain processes. I hear me answer secondary school for movie school. Movie school. This year, secondary for movie. They are going to write their final exams. Tambia, August. September, no, maybe. Oh, okay. And you will get a ticket in my own secondary school. Or still.
What we so bad? One year a year, can I say?
But they are giving the opportunity to even buy university forms.
And at your own risk.
What's the idea?
At your own risk.
A banner qualifier, you can go.
One qualifier with fee.
Okay. So we university. Well, we invest to present to BBI, you know. What defend your project? Are you BBI, you know? I just hear a congregation and send a certificate amount. Do you know you can apply for a job within that period using your transit?
It is allowed.
Good. But in election there, Supreme Court said it is not allowed.
Oh, that's systems in there.
That is the system. Laws are made for human beings.
Of course.
What do you say? This is the system. Because Mrana say, to the question I made, when does one become a fan of nomination become entitled one to become a member of parliament? Or that is why you be we know why you can't.
When you have what if say in the process of this filing of nomination, fine, unkra kratan. Yabe MP thinking say what she processes nasi, and you know the duration. Say be 3 months time, about 2 months time, now uremu you so in as MP.
No, you never be so in.
No, but say that time no be on kratan.
No. You the issue and I'm going to say because the when does one become an MP?
I so in.
Good, and you so in as wouldn't say at the time I hear you what to say. Kofi a seki. Oh, yeah, MP. What do you say? Now, you may be into now, and I didn't go see a man.
And I'm just saying, you are to buy, we elect. You elect where we. Once you are MP elected, you have no qualms. Because what can't share the electoral commission say, what starting processes? To say you are quasing the you have a letter, what church say, what's your processes?
Secondary school for no way. Not to written results form. They do it at their own.
Yes, exactly the point I want.
So that is the person.
Yes, your money, yes, sir. So the documents are base. What's your processes, Nasi? you are waiting results. Enti say a baby na wa failure. Na papers na maame no papa koten na enyo muka.
I understand that's the risk aspect of it.
Enti Ghana yam waka because of say.
No.
No watch down krata but on krata na my honorable. Is that what we
Ghana more say?
Oh, say election bia is come with.
It's here now you see. We have had a lot of elections here cancel. And so I can say. And one of them is this. One of them is this.
Yeah.
What is the effect?
That's what I'm saying. Say show young continue mocha. We want to avoid some of these.
No. Who set the rules? Who set the rule for the elections?
Easy. Yeah.
When they set the rules for the elections. Apart from the constitution, they can say, "Untimi nko mrashe bedroom." Saying that easy set the rules. Was the easy okay?
With the question, of course, when you can come and go ahead.
That is why people think say there's something wrong with the Supreme Court ruling.
No, but the Supreme Court also said, is no Adea or no, then also so unlawful.
Unlawful. Because that is the interpretation. And people think
say, go ahead.
I say, what constitution is man? But no be by your MP. Was it the time when he panel for nomination?
So right now, argument in say.
My argument in say constitution. I'm making it categorical. What do you say? And when you talk about constitution, people representative, you cannot take the people representative, act in film.
Yeah.
What do you say? Was at the time of election, and there is Supreme Court ignore. Why ignore? And when we interpret law and say, "Oh, picking nomination or MP." Oh, picking nomination or MP. That's what the interpretation. Because any panel MP there was going to mean MP abra or who do allegiance to any other country. What do you say? Those who did not succeed, my MP. At the time of MP, no graduate citizen. So the question is was at the time. At the time. Because the basic or the spirit of that I say, study a bay out could room na sebedum. What do you say? What do you on tantanta? Assuming so you hold your allegiance to a Canadian government. And there are issues where you take him, that it will go against Canadian government. But that's what I say. And when you hold allegiance to them, a bit my influence. So that's why I say anything the spirit of that constitution says, yeah, ma will be abra or allegiance, so that they could do what to the bad normal price a conflict of interest. What do you say? So the issue they say, I say I appoint MPP, former MPP chairman be as High Court judge.
Former
MPP chairman as High Court judge.
I'm not aware.
You are not aware. Okay. Former MP parliamentary candidate as a High Court judge.
Many evidence to back this.
Who former MPP parliamentary candidate a High Court judge. Bono Ahafoya, one former MPP chairman for constituency a High Court judge. What is more kind? I said, yeah, he used to be, but now I could say at the time or what now. Good at the time. Or what new process that lead to his appointment. You know, time appointment in a by way. Within that process, no MPP. But the CNA appointed in here.
All right.
So my issue was that one at the time I this assembly, we deny the people of assembly of representative. Whilst the same cases in the Abia, meaning when you talk about Supreme Court, you will be of the procedural evidence. A BSc pen. Until they make reference to it I do our case now. Example number second case was totally different from this one. Or not dear. He went to parliament. Even at a time of a parliament when you know or there's who do that allegiance. As he was not banned from sitting in parliament until the case was
determined. So this is the situation. So the rulings of the court now when him say much more displeasure against a year a kwanya NDC for fast so about bontine beka safa as in not election about bekoso. 2 a year judgment here free court so and so about from Supreme Court.
Second, this topic is a very educative topic. Now, I would like for us to address the listeners, the individual now our city by the radio side. So betting yamanasi. Proud to me brapanyin ninkomona on any day. He was speaking to say easy letter, near letter no a joint letter. But when it comes to the matter of law, nobody can misquote the law because it's vividly written in the law books for each and everybody to have access to read. It is a easy letter about out say your accusation, NDC's accusation on that the Electoral Commission say why per the law. He was explaining the law. Our letter also seemed to also educate the NDC people on the law. And in here, Nigerian say because the content of the letter seems similar, headings no and for that matter we stand with the EC. This is not the first time our colleagues are throwing dust into the eyes of the ordinary Ghanaians down there. I think say exactly as in say omo pese omo put it in the way say ye ne EC no ne ko dan ba kon da sorry. You see, say ye ma uniama no na say untimi na ebu komo a you complain about catching na odi to no. Yes is an na it will not even go well with you. Proud to ne all can say ye accuse you say ye didin bia ko she ho a enye no. Uko the constitution article 94 clause 1 no as stated categorically say na ye kan no or see Ghana electoral laws the MPP letter no some education on the relevant aspect of the law. They claim that the MPP seeking to transfer a name of a registered voter to the assigned not register to qualify him to contest in the parliamentary by-election actually betrays the NDC's appreciation of 94 clause 1. Because 94 clause 1 require that the candidate to be registered voter on can say on register the constituency now or prino on your voter. The law as stating clear. It will cut down even before member Supreme Court who cut down Hokrana Supreme Court no crack and say to law ni ye pana. You will see say law is only telling you say nipa no to about Hokra constituency not ho or reside you had a minimum of 5 years here. He is qualified to contest for the member of parliament at that particular constituency. They make a if you can read the law. It's for my brother to sit here now or kase and the MPP lawyer be a kasa. You see, the situation they try to quote MPP for binum kasa. Forgetting to know that this MPP for ya quote to omono quota omunyina contribution eka ne eka ene hu asem.
But I think that your kind that is in reference to Jachikwe is in there.
Exactly. Good. In reference to Jachikwe is in there na me basono. When you go to the law of the electoral law 94 na make one say no I mean kind close 1 no. Subject to the provision of this article, a person shall not be qualified to be a member of parliament unless A. He is a citizen of Ghana, has attained the age of 21 years and is a registered voter. A voter, are you getting me? B. He is resident in the constituency for which he stands as a candidate for election to parliament or has resided there for a total period not less than 5 years. The matter say be free asin of now on your voter or asin of na ye kono asin of more than 5 years or qualified to contest as a parliament or asin of. C. Me pacho honorable unya tama you come with it. C. He has paid all his taxes and made arrangements satisfactory to the appropriate authority for the payment of his taxes. A person shall not be qualified. A person shall not be qualified as a member of parliament if A. He owns allegiance to a country other than Ghana or has been indulged or otherwise declared bankrupt under any other law for inti Supreme Court omurili no e banta on at the time I will pick form say who say wa qualify and that is the law. Obi kan na say the first say wakwa wia uko to aduane a won say wasi come do na wakwa wia fufodi du koma wasi say obe ya obe save no ye chiwa enye say bia wo ye it is starting from where we started with the illegalities. Maybe I'll go back.
Where mass on so ya where say fufu na metwa no come to because the electoral commission is independent.
But that is why you already Supreme Court now until I say he even defaulted the
so
let my brother understand say
the institution that is in charge. You cannot go ahead and say a criminal case.
Nah, a criminal case because when him say the case in any MP before the court too, it was on one kasa ni contender na primaries no mu ye in court how do you call in NDC time of election primaries no and na nipa ni hold do that view say no, the man is not qualified. The NDC it ye process Adea we call NDC headquarters Emma omu look down on it because they think said they can manipulate the law. You see, but
omutro no nipa de call electoral commission, my electoral commission called
tie amegacha tie justice Supreme Court amegacha tie amegacha ruling no
friend the said person omu friend that question electoral commission they went for interview on the said situation
tie amegacha ruling no or say in a blink me yen patata a declaration that upon the true and proper interpretation of Article 94(2) of the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana 1992 at the time of filing his nomination form between 5th to 9th October 2020 to contest the election of the parliamentary election for the Asin North constituency, defendant was not qualified as a member of parliament. The defendant, the question, no, he was not qualified. Previous readings are me say, Mrano see answer now be qualified. No, this is we yes. At the time I was picking nomination form, no, and I was filing for the form, no, not only sa qualification, no, into totally no. Nyama I say nechini nyina no, enye existing. Intina the Supreme Court I can say yen expunging it din and free krata sema or parliament not sebi ichinima beba they will never know say somebody like this was in parliament because
so they debate
exactly
on article 94
for 1 and 2
clause 2A now. That is where end is for the challenge. What they are saying is that 2A is a person shall not be qualified to be a member of parliament if he owes allegiance to a country other than Ghana.
Yes.
I almost say at that time or a member of parliament, you know, that is when they saw you were sworn in. He was not he did not have any allegiance to Canada.
But I am also telling you say
at that time of
David, I am telling you
of even election at the time of swearing in.
Seki.
Yes sir.
Say uti asema mindi kan ready na amegacha verdict na or say filing of the nomination form. One can say at the time of swearing in parliament.
No, but
the constitution is also talking about the filing. Read 94(1). Read 94(1) which I've read to you earlier on. 94(1) ni say answer na ube qualify say ube be a parliamentary candidate. One can say a parliamentary member. Oh, you see. Honorable, take your time. At the time, ube file say we a parliamentary candidate. It's not about a member. We are not talking about member. We are talking about a candidate. You are going to contest for that particular position. And all cultures say answer na ube qualification. Say ube standing for a particular position. No, I was say you owe any other allegiance rather than Ghana. But at the time, all filing now. Well, not all a particular, you know. Let us not bother. It's about
and nomination.
Exactly. Filing and nomination.
Is that what the Constitution says on filing and nomination?
It's the same. Before Constitution is talking about the parliamentary candidate. In fact, if you don't file, how do you become a parliamentary candidate?
No, but we want to be specific because
no, you see, and I'm also saying, these are judges. Omu election rules.
Yes.
Okay.
No, PNDC law.
Okay.
284.
Okay.
That's not NDC. Section 20, clause 1A. The election, and the American United for their judgment. You read it from 35 pages now.
Okay.
The election of a candidate shall be declared void on an election petition if the High Court is satisfied that that the candidate was at the time of his election a person not qualified or a person disqualified for election. At the time of his election, NDC for no of a point say at the time of his election,
contrary to that. No, T. At the time of his election was not the banter between MPP and NDC. At the time of his election was the primaries they went through. Their first primaries between Onone contender because it was being supervised by East Kroya Yekan.
No, but East. Oh, there saying yeah, primaries.
Good. Who is entitled for elections matters in this country.
Supervisory rule is
good. That he is the mandated person at the authorities. The laws has given him.
No. Obi and the primary sir, MPP and the primaries. Remember, hold on. MPP and the primaries.
Exactly.
NDC and the primaries. Even SRC and the primaries. Emu year school election. And your force to say electoral commission about measures.
Your force.
No, it's
until
not
say say binding until say isi no. Tell me. Until say isi no. Eddie Bia Ibia ba say because of so and so he will not supervise it. Then you can go ahead and have it. Not me catch now say every election, whether it JHS class captain election, supposed to be supervised by electoral commission.
No.
Oh, you see, I don't want us to go back and read the laws.
Even with the recent NDC4 case here by electoral commission can say per court na you can say Dr. Dufour the court in injunction about Oma home say free.
Exactly.
It doesn't mean saying NDC 4% mutu abanko.
Omo beti me, but that does not mean say I justify tie. That does not mean say I justify ye wonyama bibia ye wo ha. You see.
Respectfully, the American say me carry now can so that we can educate ourselves. The American say electoral commission can say on show be elections so nya Ghana election or party be elections so oka say ABC the main so
because of this and that.
No one so betimi organize an independent body.
Yes.
Aside electoral commissioner. Valid.
Yes.
Valid.
Good.
It is not binding on any party. Say to about changing was electoral commission.
Yes. Assuming what you are saying is to be considered. Say it's not valid after say easy has declared say only mrana and I said she be a money kwa mani ma. Then you take be happy to let me tell you.
Neutrality and so be arguing better.
And in the constitution
is in Kwane that capacity no. But see independent body
so to cut your argument no to cut it short crime person uti say this particular election I kind within their primaries no, was it supervised by EC or not supervised?
It was.
Good. So that is why the court is saying EC and that is where it is standing for. Not at the time I know
so not right. But good. What I'm saying, the other say EC no your primaries no. And the court is saying EC based on the main election.
No, he has not said main election. See, election, every election is considered election.
Where will you any about?
Oh, Maridi, Seki me about. I've read it, but Mamika.
What's 94 what?
Oh, 94 2 new one nina. Obitima kind. Opa, Shasha one na kind go to. Near me can say Seki. Near me can say, easy no. Ne air na oye no. Already so say me second one na me can say anka easy na ka me mrema me kwan ka married no o see easy na say onu ama kwan say ya tu ni so aba keke on he has not referred to the general election between 2020 you know but you tie o dey fan say general election no kra na easy no o see easy na
that is what
but I'm also saying and I'm also saying it could also come say election na onini opponent even in the primaries ni ko no say nipa ni follow case na kra na ye besia dia tia no question no
ana me che say some now can dey to us but dey me che say party bia enya by force nya bind the section na all party primaries electoral commission about organize what of MPP for during my time
yeah has it
even
bunu ha member
all your call no post they were not supervised by anybody omuka say call no post ya inaba electoral commission timinka say because say ya anya primaries ya measure so ntibutimi fanema no
yes
that is why I want to ask to draw the distinction but this is what the court said
by this is what the court said based on what was presented to the court.
Gabi from unfortunately me time no as on not calculated in because of a foul crack.
Oh,
unfortunately me time now so
I mean kind of make it
Adea
94 or 94 one I say subject to the provision of this article a person shall not be qualified to be a member of parliament. One shall not qualify to contest
Oh, baby.
All right. I think we should continue this argument. My main fight here for Bakumino, unfortunately, be time so. Unfortunately, yeah, very much aware. And that's what I'm saying. I'll lobby so that Bumian we are very repetitive. So honorable for Guadia 0543-990-0247-990. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. I want to say,
Boko Sule, my Minchano pay.
I'm in chair, you now, in chair, you are percolating. I'm in chair, I'm paying for you. As a kid, you're Kenya, Ghana have caught Venezuela. Now we are, your friend is saying, Pomamia and another is there on compare your judges. Sharp question for me up. I'm an educated NDC MPs in it say they should go for readdress. Parliament and Speaker of Parliament, I need new free. Ghana Parliament and I need new free. You see, so I think, sir, the way you hear discuss the assembly as the year cut the Ghana for say, Supreme Court was wrong because they as a case they are on police force. Now me my SS, yeah, the SS certificate. Now me set the Nyamaya me go to police force. You see, so I think that the way you handle your Yamata or Obama back home at the car, they shoot me here, Juma, they are should be a buy one. And now we have problem.
Bedas Suli. Hello, good morning. Correct score, Zakaria. Good.
Mincha, incoming ambition is, honorable say, Mubarak, or the 2 year chairman.
The minute time and Chayon Go Street.
I'm not saying, I say, MD for Mumpo, I send off for say, almost from a education. On once in a liba. Chebi, Musheda, Semoyama, even if you never do about a simple one say, Omude, Muy, somebody got to be more, almost about I'm going to that president by Trabamano, and I'm a boy again. I'm going to the president, as we are Trabamano. What about go to prison? You better about education. I said, Mamma, 1 it and 10 times, Chebi, Moon, the way empty. And I was very good at the Balasha, but I must have one name. I said, no, somewhere. The best, and I didn't remember then have me who said, Movie, yes, I don't remember yet when you work, what a 7 good years, 8 good years. Would you have been Ghana for? Would you understand what you want at the chat and the mucha? Muncham, the Mayama as a more as if no for. When you're hooted, you're more than this one a year. Muncham completely pray about Muncham, the Maya, I'm more abundant than the Mena, I'm saying, Pabamano.
Honorable Perculati, thank you so much for coming. Sports for Emra Sompa Betinasiano. Prefram Nakwame Nkwantabisa. Obetimi Afrem Seke. Anopaya Damas.
I'm on free! Jackpots move.